Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will look at how to connect the DJI MIC3 receiver to the DJI Memo app. So in order to connect the receiver to the app, you can directly connect it via USB, Type-C port. So you can connect this Type-C to now your any Android device or Apple device. Then swipe down from the menu and then go to connect to app setting. So when you select this app, this will disconnect the transmitter from the receiver and the receiver will be ready to connect to the app. And then when you press ready, it will start searching for the device. And if you have connected it to a Type-C to DJI Memo, you will be connected to the DJI Memo app, and then you can use it to upgrade firmware on the devices. So if you like this video, subscribe the channel. In the next video we will look at the general settings on the DJI MIC3 receiver.